What is dispersion? Dispersion is the scattering of organisms over periods within a given area. We're going to talk about the types of dispersal. First, let's imagine an organism. Immigration. Females are not likely to immigrate since their reproductive success is limited by nutrients around it, and like male, reproductive success is determined by the number of females encountered. Wind transport. By wind, their seeds can go far away. Water transport. Those creatures are born with sacs which contain full of nutrients inside and providing their needs throughout their childhood. Passive navigation. 50% of those creatures are born with their seeds growing to the left, and the rest of the population got their seeds growing to the right. Animal vector. When smaller animals swim by them, seeds will stick to them and brought to another area. Coordinated gametes release. The whole population flowered at the same time. They can be pollinated by anything surrounding them.
Why is dispersal important? In the simplified diagram, we have a species that is able to disperse to the outermost ring. Genetic diversity could be limited because species are less likely to encounter each other, while less competition leads to low selective pressure. Now let's limit dispersal to the second ring. We see that limited dispersal can increase selective pressure for niche specialization. In addition, if species are better able to recognize their relatedness, fitness variation can increase as a result of kin selection. Dispersal can influence population density and vital rates. With limited dispersal, we can observe increased crowding, competition, inbreeding, and mortality. We also see a decrease in reproductive rates, habit quality, and less energy is used for dispersal.
Let's recall that population have three characteristics: dispersion, density, and age structure. So what is density? We can use density to characterize dispersal. Density-independent dispersal is a passive dispersal dependent on various forms of naturally occurring kinetic energy, such as gravity, wind, and animal. Density-dependent dispersal is an active dispersal in response to local population size, resource. The last characteristic of a population is age structure. Age structure is a distribution of ages in a specific population at a certain time. Here, we introduce another concept relating to age and survivalship, which is survivalship curves. There are three types of survivalship curves. Type 1 is low death rate, and many individuals live to an old age. Type 2 is moderate death rate. Individuals die at all ages. Type 3 is high death rate, and many individuals die at young and few live to old.